So this is the year in review. My name is Joshua Schreiber, and today's my birthday, by the way. Right now, it's been a long year. Right now, I'm practicing doing all sorts of different stuff, sitting up straight, sitting left, sitting right. This is my introductory video where I'm going to tell you a little bit about my channel, which basically, this is my personal channel. I'm going to tell you about myself. And I'm going to go further into video editing. So I'm going to teach you a course. I'm going to teach you a course with a big smile on my face, right? This is the candid stuff that no one ever gets to see. This is the part where I'm showing you, the person right there, and I'm convincing you how you are enticed. Why are you enticed? What do you find that's interesting enough that you have somebody come in? Look over there. ADHD. What is it, boss? I don't know. Can you choke the mic out? Outtakes. This is the stuff you'll never see. This is the stuff when I don't know what I'm doing and I'm just establishing a level of comfortability, a level of baseline where I'm just sitting here. I'm working right now. I know I got shitty posture. So what am I doing? I'm just sitting here, right? I'm just sitting here. I'm getting comfortable. I'm talking to the microphone. I'm talking to you. I'm asking you, how was your day? Let me work that out. I really want to know. Because you have to tell me. Now, if I can find out that if you're serious enough about answering the question, then I can answer it. One way, I can just... Oh, that is... Not today. I'm not going to get into it. Today is my birthday. Yes, today is my birthday. Today is my 49th birthday. 49. My name is Joshua Schreiber, 49 years old. You can find me on X at LOCI_X. Yep. Twitter, yeah. Thanks, Elon. I had that a long time ago. Anyway, my mom was trying to call me, and it doesn't matter because I'm not recording. I'm not recording. Because this isn't really me doing anything. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let you know about AGI. Hasn't everybody else told you about AGI? Well, then I'm not going to tell you about it. I'm going to have a fun day. Even my dog comes in. So anyways, yes, today is my 49th birthday. And yeah, I'm going to come out with videos. Yeah, I have ADHD. Isn't that something in this? I sit like this. Posture. So when I go back and cut like everybody else, spend 8 hours cutting. Cut. Probably go in here and find out something didn't work, right? Let's see. We got a phone call during recording. We got my dog walking around barking. Yeah, it's great. I'm recording in my office is my dining room because my wife used the upstairs office as her office. And then she doesn't work from home anymore. I work from home. This is me. Working from home. So, that's what we're going to do. We're going to enjoy 2026. And I'm going to talk about a lot of things. I'm going to talk about what's important to you, what's important to me, what's important to the world. And I'm going to show you how somebody like this, stupid, zero, nothing, right? Zero, nada. I got like 1 follower. I got like 14 followers on Twitter because my whole life I've never wanted anyone to know anything about me because it's complicated. But now I'm ready to tell people about myself, and I'm going to try and be nice and learn how to be nice. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show people how you can go from nothing to making at least a somewhat semi-decent paycheck, and through the process of learning programs like CapCut and learning how to make your life run more efficiently through things like Whisper Flow and how you can use, companies, affiliate programs to get money. And I'll show you how to do that over time. And since this is my introduction video, I'm not even going to edit it, and it's going to look like shit. And that's why I'll get like 37 views in 4 years. But then like after 4 years, people will go back and they'll be like, oh man, that guy looked like a complete moron. And now he's making like $1 million a year. And this is just the talky part, right? And like I said, I'm going to show you how to do all the editing from everything. And watch me in a year from now, I'm going to do this 52-week challenge, right? Because somebody else, inspired me, and I saw they got like 43,000 views in 3 days and 6,000 followers, sub me, baby, please. And then you show me, I'll show you. We all work together in a collab and make money. And I'm going to show people how to use all your different channels and how even somebody like me with ADHD can come and figure out how to do all these videos through editing. And if you don't want to put your face out there like my dumb face is, you can do faceless websites that you don't have to. And you don't have to worry about if your dog's next to you or not, or if people see your fucking ponytail. I'll probably get dinged for that one. No, well, see, I didn't edit that. And now I got somebody's babysitter mad at me. So don't watch this video if you're like 10 years old. No, I didn't say anything. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to talk about AI. And I'm going to talk about Whisper Flow. And I'm going to go through all different tools. Damn, people are blowing me up. Drama. So much drama. Life is grand. But yes, happy 2025. We're going to start out tomorrow. I'm going to push one out every day through like 10 different channels. So here's the thing. I'm starting this. Today is day 1, even though I've done YouTube stuff in the past. And I have. But I've never done anything. I've done it, but I haven't. And I'll tell you more about that at a later time. And at this point, it's deuces, baby. Love you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you, and it'll actually make sense.